Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Xero account. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your finances or simply exploring accounting software options, setting up a Xero account is straightforward and gives you access to powerful financial management tools. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head to Xero.com. This will take you to Xero's homepage where you can explore their features and begin the sign-up process. Once you're on the site, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Try Xero for free. Go ahead and click on that button. This is your entry point into creating a new account and starting your free trial. After clicking, you'll be directed to the sign up page. Here, you'll need to fill in several fields with your personal information. You'll see spaces for your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Take a moment to enter these details accurately as they'll be tied to your account and used for verification purposes. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click on the next confirmation button. This will move you forward to the sign up steps page and trigger a confirmation email from Xero. Now it's time to verify your email address. Head over to your email provider's website and look for the confirmation email from Xero. It should arrive within a few moments. Once you've found it in your inbox, open the email and look for the button that says yes, it's me, dash. Let's get started. Click on that button to confirm your email address and continue the setup process. After clicking the confirmation link, you'll be directed straight to your Xero account's dashboard. At this point, you'll be prompted to configure your account security by adding a password. Choose a strong, secure password that you'll remember, then click on Activate Your Account. This step finalizes your account setup and ensures your financial information will be protected. Once your account is activated, you'll be prompted to enter your business details. Start by typing in your business name, then select your industry from the drop-down menu and finally choose your country. These details help Xero customize the platform to suit your specific business needs and local regulations. Next, you'll need to enter the last day of your financial year. This is important for accurate reporting and tax purposes. After that, you'll see a field asking, do you have employees? Toggle the radio button to select yes or no based on your current situation. This helps Xero set up the right features for your business. Finally, you'll be asked to choose from a previous tool you've used from a drop-down menu. This allows Xero to understand your accounting background and potentially import data if needed. Once you've made your selection, click on Start Trial. Your Xero account is now fully set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.